In front of me is iPad mini, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to hit apps. Now select one of your apps that you wish to switch to another one. So for example, I will click on my current browser, which is Safari. Click on default browser app and tap on my chosen one, in this case Firefox. When you finished, just go back. You can also tap on your new app that you wish to apply, like in this case Edge, and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!